hoping I didn't do too much heat damage to my hair. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kia and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be giving you my first impression and review regarding the Olaplex hair treatment system. If you're interested in how I achieve this look, you'll want to stick around. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around. Hey y'all, welcome back. So today I'll be trying out the Olaplex hair repair treatment kit. This could not have come at a better time. My hair has been straight far longer than I ever wanted it to be. And I'm absolutely certain there's heat damage. And let's see if the good old Olaplex girl can restore my curls and revert some of that heat damage that I have. So this kit comes with the Olaplex Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment. This is the Intensive Bond Building Hair Treatment number 0. And then I have the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. And then I have the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo number 4. This is the Bond Maintenance Conditioner number 5. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it with the 0, go in with the number. Okay, reading is fundamental. So on the back of the number 0, it says that apply number 0 to dry hair in small sections. Saturate from root to tip. Hair should be damp, not drenched. Leave on the hair for 10 minutes. Do not rinse. Then come in with the number 3 to saturate hair and wait 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition. So let's get to that step. Okay, so I'm gonna took the plastic off and okay, so it doesn't smell like anything. So let me take my hair out the ponytail. Okay, so I'm back. So I just applied the number 0 and this has been sitting on my hair for 10 minutes already. Now I'm back with the number 3 and I'm going to apply it to my hair and let it sit for another 10 minutes before rinsing it out. But I'm just pouring it straight from the top. Feels pretty thick. Another product that my hair is just eating up. So I did feel like I got really good slippage with well, it says repairs and strengthens all hair types. This is still the number 3. Okay. So yeah, I think it's coating the hair very well. Okay, so I washed it. So it looks like my curls came back. Curls are not as tight back here. I'm hoping I didn't do too much heat damage to my hair, but this is it with the number 3. Like, if only my wash and goes could do this. Look, yes, this is cute. But my wash and goes don't do this. Anyways, I'm about to apply the shampoo, which is number 4. I may have did too much. So I did about that much. And so far I like it. Go rinse her out, and I'll see y'all when it's time for me to put the conditioner back in. Okay, so I'm back from rinsing my hair out. My hair feels super clean without feeling stripped. It feels very clean, and it made my curl. And look at my curls popping, y'all. Look. Why can't my wash and goes come out like this? So it really brought back my curls. It really brought back my curls, and I'm obsessed. Oh, one thing I did notice when I was washing the shampoo out is that it lathered very well. So much so it kind of took a while to like get the shampoo completely out of my hair, which I won't complain about, because you guys saw how little shampoo I put in my hair, and I really got it's very clarifying. It's been a while since I had a shampoo do this, where it really cleanses the hair without stripping it. Anyways, I have this Bond Maintenance conditioner, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. And I am going to try to detangle too. Ooh, this is good stuff. It kind of feels like a deep conditioner on its own, to be honest. Okay, so I'm back. It did pop my curls. I think it put me in a really good position to start my wash and go. So for that reason, I like it. Did it help with some of those heat damage pieces? Sure. You guys can see the curls. So yeah, let me start my wash and go, and I'll come back to you guys with the full review. So I'm back, and I now have dry hair. I was so glad that I waited a couple hours before coming back and giving like my opinion about Olaplex, because I think initially I was being a little hard on it. Overall, I like the system. I don't love it, and it's not giving 10 out of 10, but I'm very interested in trying it again to see how my hair does with it. It didn't 100% treat my heat damage. Not that it was supposed to, but if you guys can see, definitely in this section right here, how like the curl is elongated. This is heat damage, and it's totally my fault, because like I told you guys, I have been wearing my hair straight for the last few weeks, if not months. I will say my hair is so soft. I do like the body that my wash and go have. that my wash and go has after using this treatment. For that reason, I would say that I'm interested in trying the product again. If anything, it's made me interested in trying other Olaplex products. So let's talk about what I used in order that I used it. So I'm gonna start with the number 0. So the number 0, you guys saw that you know, immediately when I applied the product to my hair, my straight hair did start to revert, and you can start to see like the curl definition of my natural curls just from using number 0. And then I went in with number 3. Now, after doing a little bit more research, number 3 is like a pre-wash, like a pre-poo, a pre-shampoo, and it's to help rebuild the bonds in your hair. I'm naturally not a pre-poo girl, but I'm not against it. If it works for you, it works for you. I've just not experienced many products that require that I put in my hair before shampooing. Usually I don't have that much time, but today I guess I did. So for that reason, I would try it again. Moving over to number 4. So number 4 is the Bond Maintenance Shampoo. So I really did like how this shampoo lather. My opinion about shampoos is very similar to my opinion about cleansing facial washes, is that I don't want to overpay on a shampoo that I'm just going to wash out of my hair. It's not a cream, it's not a gel. A shampoo is really going to cleanse you, and then you're going to wash it down the sink. So I'm on the fence about how much is too much on a shampoo, but I did like this shampoo. I like that it lathered very well. It did a great job of cleansing my scalp and my hair without stripping it, and that is key. I know that my pre-wash and go routine will have all of the impact on how well my wash and go turns out. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around. Final thoughts, all in all, I would recommend the Olaplex system. The only major con for me is the fact that it didn't offer me a lot in terms of the shedding and the breakage that I'm having or experiencing, and it didn't fix this heat damage. So it didn't fix the heat damage, and that's okay. It's not Olaplex responsibility to fix my heat damage, but maybe after a couple more treatments, I'll be able to start to see the clear definition to regarding some of the heat damage that I have from over the last few months. All in all, I thought this was an excellent gift. So if you're ever someone like me who just never knows what they want for a birthday, holiday, whatever it may be, ask for a good shampoo and conditioner that you've been wanting to try that you're just not ready to pull the plug on. And for me, that was this Olaplex system. So I really enjoyed this gift, more so because I didn't spend my own money on it, and I'm able to come to you and give you a review on it and just kind of let you know how I feel about it. And comment down below and let me know if you've tried Olaplex and what your opinions are and how has your experience been using it. Alright guys, that does it for today's video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'd love for you to stick around, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.